I'm Sarah.
And I'm Meg.
And we're here to give you our top 3 tips on the Galaxy Watch 8 series and just how easy it is to set it up. So first of all, we're going to be talking about customising your watch and how easy it is to change the strap.
And how easy it is to use the Galaxy Wearable app to change your settings to exactly the way you would like your watch to be.
And finally, talking through Gemini and how easy it is to access and use that now directly on your wrist. So first of all, let's talk about these amazing watch straps and how easy it is to change.
Absolutely, it's so easy to change the watch straps. It's as simple as turning the watch over and you'll see 2 silver buttons. You can either use your finger or your thumb on the buttons to deattach those watch straps, so you can change it to the way you would like it. It's so easy with our new dynamic lug system that you can literally do it in a matter of seconds. And there are so many watch straps out there for you that you can really personalise it to what's going on in your life. So for example, you could have something going for the gym, or maybe you'll want something for work, or if you've got a night out. What would you use it for?
I think for me, I really like that silicone watch strap and being able to go to the gym. But let's just say somebody out there that they're a business user. What strap would you recommend for those?
Oh, I would recommend the nice classic leather strap. It'd be really nice whether you're wearing maybe a suit or a dress or whatever you fancy, whatever your style is.
Absolutely.
It'll be perfect for you.
And then, so what's your favourite one, would you say, Meg?
Oh, you know what? I'm going to go for the silicone strap.
Silicone as well?
I really like it, yeah. So when I'm going to the gym or something like that, exactly the same as you.
Yeah.
And it's really easy to clean down as well.
We love the straps, and we've just showed you how easy it is to customise your watch by changing the strap. But how easy is it to customise the watch face? Let's take a look at the Galaxy Wearable app. The first thing we need to do is we need to find the Wearable app, and sometimes it can be quite difficult to find things. So I can swipe up on the home screen, and this search bar at the bottom, I can type Wearable, and there it is, the searched apps up the top there. Now this here is the Galaxy Wearable app, which is kind of your control center for everything that you'll need to do with your wearable device. Now it can take you through from watch faces, we can change it however we want to. There are some already preloaded, or you can download until your heart's content. We've got our app screen. So with this, perhaps you've got an app that you'd prefer to be closer to the top. You can simply drag and drop that to another location that suits you. I love that. It's fabulous, isn't it? And also where it says view, when I tap on that, I can select list. So perhaps you prefer to see the words that are written down rather than seeing that symbol. Also, we've got our watch settings, so you can access anything you want to do, whether or not it's turning certain notifications off or turning certain notifications on. We can also look here with Find My Watch. The amount of times I've placed my watch down and I've forgotten where it is, when I tap this, it opens up that SmartThings Find. And then with that, I can easily find perhaps where I've left my watch behind. It's so useful. And then when we go back into our Wearable app, tips and user guide. We're giving you our top 3 tips, but there's even more tips available for you in the Wearable app, using things from maybe it's new to you, what's new to the Galaxy Watch series, or ways you can use gestures, how to wear your watch, and making sure it's personalised for your use. You can get tips there about your settings and personalisation. So, Megs, you've used the Wearable app before. What was the first thing that you did with it?
It was changing the watch faces. I change them probably every 2 to 3 weeks. I get so bored so easily. So whenever I'm changing up my style, I like to be a little bit diverse. I like my watch face to match up with that. So I'm always changing it up. But what about you?
I think for me, the first thing I did was I wanted to really make it feel like my own. So when I went into tiles, because now we can stack those tiles, we can edit it to however we want it to be. We can add in certain tiles. So I've got a fitness tile set up here. So if I wanted to add in my mindfulness, I've then got that set up exactly to how I want it. It's fabulous, and I can't get enough of a Galaxy Wearable app.
Absolutely. We just went through the user guide and the tips in which Gemini is now featured on our fantastic Watch 8 series. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to set it up on your device. As soon as you turn your device on, it will be there, willing and waiting in your settings for you to activate it. It is your handy AI companion on your wrist. It is as simple as activating it with the top right button. Gemini will appear and ready to go in a matter of seconds to allow you to work smarter, not harder. So Sarah, what would you use Gemini for?
Oh, I like to know what the weather's like outside, because you never know if you need to pack your umbrella, or maybe it's going to be an unexpectedly sunny day. The fact I can just press and hold that and ask Gemini, what's the weather going to be today? And it can tell me. What about you, Megs?
So you can even summarise your messages. So say you're coming out of your supermarket or something like that, that you'll be carrying all of those shopping bags, that your messages will summarise on your wrist so you can sort out all your plans for the rest of the day.
So you're telling me as well, if I get a lengthy email through from my boss, that I can easily use Gemini to summarise it for me?
Nice and easily. And not only that, you've got something called seamless actions across apps, so it could do multiple things at once. So say, for example, you need to get up at 7 a.m, it can set an alarm for you on your clock, as well as giving you a reminder at the same time that you've got a meeting with your boss at 10 a.m.
That truly is a handy AI companion, having Gemini now available on the Galaxy Watch 8 series.
As easy as that.
And there you have it. That's our top 3 tips on the Galaxy Watch 8 series and setting it up. Meg showed us just how easy it is to change the watch straps to match your style or your activity.
And Sarah showed us exactly how to use the Wearable app and change your settings to have your watch exactly the way you would like it to be.
And being able to access Gemini now directly on your wrist can make your life so much easier.
Thank you for joining us and see you soon.